Today we're gonna work on the fire pit some more, and I'm gonna try to get some fire block glued into the interior and maybe some of these exterior brick veneers on. And today one of my helpers is London, my granddaughter. Isn't she pretty? All right, so here we go. We're gonna start bringing all the fire bricks over here. There's a bunch of them. How they fit.
So I just lay them down softly.
Yep. Just lay them down all the way across there, even like Oh yeah. There you go. Perfect. So here's my other helper, granddaughter number 1, Kylie. Isn't she beautiful? So I don't know how much she's gonna help me, but she's here. Here we go. I'm gonna start cutting some of this fire brick and see if I can get those ready to fit.
What the fire brick's going to stick to?
This is the mortar for the fire brick.
Thank you. Great job. Send them down right there. Thank you.
Why are you doing that, Papa?
It's gonna stick to it.
You know what these grooves do? It helps the fire brick, or the brick, could be brick too. It creates an air pocket and a suction on the brick when you put it down so that it keeps it sucked up against the wall until all that dries.
Cool.
Creates pockets, air pockets in there, and it sucks it down to the wall.